Wait, what do your lips feel like?
My lips feel like sausages. And they taste... And they told me I was perfect, like a lot of times. Like over and over. That's all they said. They said you're so perfect. I didn't mean to. Is my mascara messed up? Really?
No.
Or are you just saying that?
What did they give you?
Laughing gas through the whole thing.
Can you say Achilles?
Achilles?
Why are you talking
Like what?
your voice?
I can't talk. I'm talking normally.
Now you're just sad. You're no fun anymore.